Hi guys, it's me Erica. And what? Welcome back to my channel. We are on the Maldivian Islands and this is a big vlog from my day. So let this day start, and first thing that I need to tell you is that I burned. I totally burned. I have these lines from my swimming wear, but I have my white face just because of SPF. Okay, let's try to correct this sunburned, I don't know how. So guys, it was really nice greeting, but let's be real, I'm so hungry. So let's go to the breakfast. So guys, let's go. While we are going to the breakfast, I will show you the territory where I live. These are the houses on the water. So I really love it because this is not like your private villa. This villa is for 3 people or 3 families, I don't know. So yeah, and it's so good to live on the water because you know what? Yesterday I saw a baby shark near my villa, and of course after the breakfast I will give you a room tour. Wait for that. I think this storm is going. What to do? What to do? So guys, let's go swimming and I will show you the best beach ever. And if I'm like blinking on the video, so never mind, please, the sun is so strong. I'm so sorry for that. Let's go. I saw a shark. I would like to show you that. Let's go! I don't want to leave the beach at all. I want to admire the color of the water all my minutes on these islands, and I really hope that this really big and huge vlog will convey to you every shade of the ocean. Do you see this dark blue water behind me? It's a coral reef, and here you can snorkel and diving because there are many sharks, many turtles, and many other marine fish. I would like to do that, but I'm kind of scared to meet a shark. They are baby sharks, but anyway, it's so scary. It's just amazing. What would be with the Maldivian Islands if people didn't come here? I don't know. Maybe everywhere will be the turtles and sharks. No people, no infrastructure, no restaurants. Maybe that would be even better. In the Maldives, I learned a new way to meditate and spend time alone with myself and enjoy nature. I am madly immersed into my thoughts, and I have never seen such beauty as here. But you know guys, there was a moment that confused me completely. Plastic in the ocean. Looking at the dolphins, like in the previous video, I saw bottles of milk and water. And here on the beach, there were several bags. Can you imagine? Plastic bags that the ocean threw ashore. Just look at the color of the water. Don't you want to save it? I enjoy the texture of the sand. It was like from a fairy tale. And I just didn't want to waste a minute being there. Just think about it. So guys, my emotions here are crazy. I am like astonished here with the nature, with the color of water. How? I don't know. My first emotion was like, do they dye it into the Tiffany color or what? What are they doing with this water? I'm shocked. I'm shocked with this because you see each fish that is swimming around you. You see sharks. I see that from my villa. And probably these moments with the nature I really appreciate in my life, and I'm so happy that I can take you here. It's just amazing. Just amazing. Like, you're in the islands in the middle of Indian Ocean. How people are here? And I feel like Moana here from this cartoon by Disney, and I'm just so grateful for this opportunity to live on this planet. It's stunning. Guys, do you want to see a moving beach shore? That's so interesting. Why I call it moving? Because each mussel is going. There are like little crabs who are holding their houses on their shoulder. I will show you that. That's so cute. Welcome to my villa. It will be a quick room tour. Let's go. Here you can see the bathroom area with the 2 sinks and a shower cabin. Over there is a toilet for you. How do you prefer to see that? Next, after that, we have the bathroom. So the bathroom is amazing because on the bed, staff is doing amazing things, creative things each day when they are cleaning this villa. Here is the sofa, nothing interesting. Here is the chest of drawers for my clothes. Here not a lot. And the main thing that we have in the villa, private Indian Ocean. Welcome. Let's go. I'll show you something. Here you have your own steps to the Indian Ocean. And you can swim just right here. So guys, I have already swum in the ocean and had my shower, made my hairstyle. My hair is so wet. But anyway, I'm so happy. Look at my skin. I don't know if the camera will show you the color of that, but I'm like the Cancer. I'm so red. Even with the SPF, with the sunscreen, it doesn't help. So, after swimming, I'm so hungry, of course, and we are going to the lunch. Of course, I will show you everything. And the line of food here is just amazing. Enormous and huge variety of food. You can do anything. You even can do a burger here. So yeah. And also, I would like to share you with the new. Over there is a reef. I told you about that. And today I tried snorkeling and I like that. So maybe, if I'm talking about that, it is a good idea. Next video will be about snorkeling, so stay tuned with me. And let's go to the dinner. Oh no, lunch. So guys, I have already eaten my lunch. That was so tasty, and the storm is going. Maybe there will be no storm, I don't know. It's tropical climate and you never know what is going on here. But we are going to the villa, chill and waiting for the sun and for the sunset, because sunsets here are amazing. By the end of this video, I want to say, guys, my honest opinion about these islands. I'm madly in love. But people, stop ruining nature. Look at the fish in the water. The little baby sharks. They are so beautiful. And I want each of you to be able to be here and understand how beautiful and amazing this world is. Guys, I appreciate you for trusting me and my words. So on this wonderful sunset, I got a new idea, a new memory that will be my core memory when I was laying on the hammock. I'm just so happy, and I would like people to keep these islands safe, because I found an information that within 30 or maybe 40 years, there will be no Maldivian islands no more, unfortunately. And even today, the tide of the ocean is rising, and rising a lot. So when I was swimming just over here, it was like my knee deep or my hips depth, but now it's like my shoulders, my breast. And with each storm here, this tide is rising. So I wish you guys to be here in this island, like me standing here, before the global warming will eat these islands. So please stop it. I hope that you will stop it. And before that, enjoy these islands. Before these islands got polluted so much. Thank you so much, guys. I love you a lot. I love you so much. More than the universe, I guess. So, you know my lines, keep this nature and stay with me. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.